Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create a horizontal navigation bar. What we discuss on today, how to create a horizontal navigation bar using HTML and CSS. I am clearly explained step by step with coding. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. I'm going to coding. This is the basic HTML structure. We all of you know. This is the output. Only I am write the title horizontal navigation bar. Next I am write the H1 SHS Tech Solutions horizontal navigation bar. Horizontal navigation bar creation using HTML and CSS. So check the output. This is the output. Next I am write the UL class equal to HR menu. HR menu means horizontal menu. Next I am write the li a href home about products, whatever it may be, products, clients, services, careers, home about products, clients, services, about clients, products, services, career and contact. Also we'll check the output. This is the output. Next I am write the CSS, small CSS for this horizontal, this HTML. Margin 0. Adding 0. Next time write the body background color, really yeah, okay. Okay, next time write the CSS for this H1 external center color dark red, yeah, okay. Padding 25 pixel, next time write the CSS for this menu picture menu list style type none, display bucket name box, okay. Next time write the HR menu li a text declaration, text align center, text declaration none, text declaration none, padding 1 pixel, 71 pixel, display block, background color -073A62. Yeah, okay. Next color white, font size 18 pixel, font style italic. So check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Margin lock 10 pixel. So guys, this is the process to write the horizontal navigation bar. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this video, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.